Yes. Is it still buy one Big Mac, get one for $1?
It's 2 for 5, son.
It's 2 for $5?
It's 2 for 5.
All right, may I please get 2 Big Macs, no pickles, extra onions?
Okay, no pickles, extra onion. Is that it?
And a small fry.
You got anything to drink?
No, ma'am.
Alright, you started 768.
All right, thank you.
Yes, sir.